Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect your GitHub account to your Linux system so you can push and pull code directly from the terminal. No extra installations required. Start by navigating to a project you've already cloned from GitHub. In the terminal, run git status. This shows any changes in your project. If you see files highlighted, for example in red, it means they haven't been staged yet. To stage all changes, type git add dot, then commit them with a message, git commit dash m quote your commit message quote. Next, confirm your current branch, git branch. Let's say you're on a branch called test and you want to push it to your remote repository. If you simply run git push git may prompt you to link your branch to the remote repository. To fix that, run git push dash dash set dash upstream origin test. At this point, Git will ask for your GitHub credentials. Enter your GitHub username as usual. For the password, do not use your GitHub password. Instead, you need to use a personal access token. Open your browser and go to GitHub. 1. Click your profile avatar in the top right corner. 2. Select Settings. 3. Scroll down and click Developer Settings. 4. On the left sidebar, choose Personal Access Tokens. 5. Select Tokens, Classic. 6. Click Generate New Token, Classic. Now, give your token a name. Choose an expiration, for example, 90 days. Select the repo scope to allow repository access. Scroll down and click Generate Token. You'll see a long string of characters. This is your token. Copy it immediately and save it somewhere safe because you won't be able to see it again. Go back to your terminal. When prompted for a password, paste your personal access token. Once done, your push should complete successfully. You can verify by running git status. Everything should now be up to date. If you want to double check online, open your repository in the browser and confirm your changes are there. By default, Git will ask for your credentials again next time. To avoid that, run git config dash global credential dot helper store. Then perform one more push, git push, enter your username and token one last time. After that, Git will remember your credentials for future use. And that's it. You're all set to work with GitHub directly from your Linux terminal. If you found this helpful, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.